Welcome to the Property Management Suite, your complete toolkit for creating, managing, and organizing your real estate listings. Whether you're handling a single property or managing hundreds, we've built the tools you need to work efficiently and professionally. Let's start with creating a new listing. Our intuitive interface guides you through every step. Add property details like location, type, size, and amenities with just a few clicks. The form is designed to be comprehensive yet simple, ensuring you capture all the information potential buyers need. Now, let's talk about photos, because visuals sell properties. Upload multiple high-quality images with our drag-and-drop interface. Organize them in the order that tells your property's story best. Our advanced photo management system lets you reorder, rotate, and even add captions to highlight key features. Next, craft compelling descriptions that showcase your property's unique features. Use our rich text editor to format your content, add bullet points, and emphasize selling points. Then, set your pricing with confidence, whether it's a sale price, rental rate, or both. The system automatically handles currency conversions and displays prices in multiple formats. For brokers managing multiple properties, we've built powerful bulk management tools. Upload entire property portfolios at once using our bulk import feature. Edit multiple listings simultaneously, update statuses across your entire inventory, and organize properties by category, location, or status, all from one convenient interface. One of the most time-saving features is automated property status updates. When a property is sold, rented, or taken off the market, update the status once, and our system automatically syncs across all platforms. No more manual updates in multiple places. Your listings stay current automatically. That's the Property Management Suite, comprehensive tools that make managing your real estate portfolio effortless. Create professional listings, organize your inventory, and keep everything up to date with ease. Ready to see how these properties connect with potential buyers? Let's explore our search and discovery features next.